this video, I'll continue explaining the paperwork you need for your project. In my previous video, I explained that submitting your planning application to the council, you don't need an architect. You can draw your dream house or with pen and paper, as long as it's to scale and meet certain requirements, of course, and submit to your local authority. They are only concerned about whether your house will fit in the surroundings and will not cause any problems to your neighbors. This step is unavoidable, I'm afraid. You will need a structural engineer to perform calculations for your project to make sure it's safe and sound, and your house will stay for a long time. Shop around. The price varies dramatically, and for a simple project like mine, I just needed a structural engineer to calculate the depth and the width of my foundations. I'm on a slope and it was very important, so they calculated, and they also told me that I must have block and beam floor, because if I put hardcore in my elevated foundations, it's going to be an enormous pressure on foundations. So, and another step he needed to do is to calculate the thickness and the size of steel beams. I needed a big RSJ over my bifold opening, and my extension is double story, so it's very important to get it right. And my opening is over 5 meters, so I needed structural engineer to calculate what beam I need for my project. And that's about it. You also have to specify what you need to be calculated, because the price depends on it. If your project is very complicated and it involves more calculations and more work, then the price will go up. So in my next video, I will explain how and why you need building control to sign your work off. That is also very, very important. If you skip that step, it might cost you a lot of money in the future.